All right, guys, welcome back. We are going to be working on math now. So the way that math is going to be working is you guys are going to be looking at the questions, pausing the video, answering it yourself, either on a separate sheet of paper or on a whiteboard. And then after you get your answer, you're going to see how I explain it and see if you get it right. Okay. So number one, write the numerals below the names. Not all numerals will be used. So look at this, and then use these numbers to fill it in. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. I know it says test, but this is not your test. This is just a practice test. Okay, your test is going to be a virtual test. I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like in class. Okay, so the first one, the answer is 17. So what you're going to do is, oops, wrong one. You're going to write that in 17. Next one is going to be 77. Next one is going to be 7. And the last one is going to say 70. Awesome. If you got them all correct, give yourself a pat on the back. Got some of them correct, give yourself a pat on the back. All right, number 2. What number does the picture show? So we know that these are 10 rods and these are 1 blocks, ones. These are worth 10s and these are worth 1s. Pause the video if you need more time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. So if we were to write a place value chart, T is for 10s, O is for 1s. There's 4 10s and there are 3 1s. So your answer would be 43. All right. Question number 3, circle the symbol that shows how to compare. So remember, you're a Pac-Man, you're eating. You always want to eat the bigger number. So which one is the bigger number? 51. So show me on your whiteboards or on your piece of papers how you would draw your Pac-Man. Well, we know the Pac-Man, so use your fingers. We know the Pac-Man is going to want to eat 51. So which of these is going to have the correct Pac-Man? Let's draw those Pac-Mans this way. And we know they're not equals, so it's definitely not going to be equals. And it looks like the correct Pac-Man is going to be the one in the middle. So 15 is less than 51 because our Pac-Man is going to want to eat the bigger number. Okay. Okay, number 2, check the 2 that equals 70. So pause the video if you need more time. Now let's see what the answers are. 10 more than 50 would be 60. So it's not going to be that one. 10 less than 80 would be 70. If you need to use a hundreds chart on your test, I will allow it. You may use a hundreds chart. 10 more than 80 would be 90. 10 more than 60 would be 70. And 10 less than 70 would be 60. So which of those equals 70? We have 2. We've got 10 less than 80 and we've got 10 more than 60. All right, moving on to number 5. Use the clues to find the secret number. Cross out the numbers on the chart that do not fit the clues. Circle the secret number. So what you guys are going to do is read the clues, find the answer, pause the video if you need more time. The secret number is odd. It has 5 10s. It is greater than 57. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so we know that the secret number is an odd number. So all of these even numbers will not work. Even number is a number when the number in the ones place ends with an even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even numbers. So it can't be those ones. Okay, it has 5 10s. So it can't be anything in the 40s row because those are 4 10s. And it can't be anything in the 60s rows because those are 6 10s. Okay, now it is greater than 57. Okay, so it can't be 51 or 53 or 55 because those are less than 57. It can't be 57 because that would make it equal to this 57. Ooh, the only number we have left is 59. Okay, let's see if that makes sense. 59 is an odd number. Yes, it has a 9 in the ones place. It has 5 tens. Yes, it has a 5 in the tens place. It is greater than 57. Yes, so our secret number was 59. Number 6, match the number names on the left with the numerals on the right. So we've got 50. Oh, pause the video if you need more time. Sorry, guys. We got 51. We've got 55. And we've got 15. All right, complete the sentence. The number of cans, is it even or odd? Tell how you know the number of cans is even or odd. All right, count them. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, the number of cans is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the ones place, it is a 9. So we know that it's going to be an odd number. Now, how do we know it's going to be odd? Because 9 is an odd number, but there's also another way. 9 is an odd number. You cannot pair each can with a partner. So what do I mean by that? Imagine if I split you guys up into teams and I said, everyone pick a partner. You can only have one partner, okay? So let's say, okay, these two can say, okay, let's be partners. And then these two can say, okay, we'll be partners. And then these two can say, okay, we'll be partners. And then these two can say, we'll be partners. But uh-oh, this can doesn't have a partner. So that means that there are an odd number of cans because not everyone has a partner. Another way that you can do this is by making teams. Let's say that we're going to play a game where you need to split up into 2 equal teams. I say, okay, everyone in class split up into 2 teams, team A and team B. So we split them up. So these people are going to be on team A. And then let's say these people will be on team B. Okay, so let's say you're team A, team B, team A, team B, team A, team B, team A, team B, team A, or team B. But uh-oh, there's 4 people in team A and there's 5 people in team B. It doesn't matter if we send this last person to team A, it's still going to be uneven. If we sent this person to team A, that means that team A would have 5, but that means that team B would only have 4. So if you can't make it perfectly equal, then it is going to be an odd number. Okay. All right, moving on. What number does the picture show? Circle the numbers that match. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time. Let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my, let me zoom in so you guys could see better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens, and then let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 5 ones. So our answer is 8 tens and 5 ones. All right, number 9, is the comparison true, yes or no? So let's make our little Pac-Mans. Would Pac-Man want to eat 74, 79? 79. So no, this one is not true. Okay, would Pac-Man want to eat 27 or 29? 29, so this one is true because Pac-Man is eating the right number. 46 is greater than 41. Yes, that is true. And then last one, 52 is greater than 58. No, that's not right. Pac-Man would never want to eat a smaller number. So we know these two are not correct. Okay, last question. Write the missing numbers in the boxes. Pause the video if you need more time. All right, so let's see. We've got 23 in here and 26 in here. So it looks like it's going in up and down 1. So if this is 23, this must be 24. And then 1 more than 24 would be 25. And 1 more than 25 would be 26. Now let's figure out what goes before 23 and after 26. Well, before 23 is -1. 23 minus 1 would give you 22. And then 26 plus 1, so 1 after 26 would give you 27. All right, guys. So that was a review to help you guys on your test that you guys are going to be taking tomorrow. Your test will be a little different and it's going to be virtual. Okay. You're going to be taking it online. You're not going to be doing any of this writing. So it will help for you guys to have a scratch piece of paper. Go ahead and look through some of the quizzes you guys took, the lesson checks you guys did this week. Maybe look at some of the reteaching and the practices. And then if you guys have any questions, you guys can always email me, Class Dojo me, or message me in Google Classroom. Thanks, guys.